What's your story? What's your sign? It's like we're twin flames in a different life. Deep connection lights a spark. It's like you know me in the depths of my heart. We're dreamers. Don't care what other people say. We live it like this could be our final day. We're dreamers. Don't care what the others say. We're doing this and no.
Hello everybody and welcome to my channel. I'm trying to find a good light to start this video, but it's not happening today, I guess. And my name is Kiranmay Adbala and I have recently started YouTube. If my friends and family are watching, I know I've taken such a long gap between my first video and my second video. There are so many reasons why I couldn't film my second video. Maybe I'll talk about them in the future or maybe not, but when I'm comfortable. But please bear with me, I'm still trying to figure out how YouTube works and how to film and stuff. But with that being said, I'm really excited about today's video. I've been meaning to do this video for such a long time because like Amazon is like my go-to place for shopping, and I have so many things that I bought off Amazon in my house and I use them on regular basis, but I picked like my 10 most Amazon essentials that I use pretty much every day. So this is everything that I wanted to show you guys today, but before I go over all the products in much more detail, I wanted to mention that I'm gonna link everything in the description box down below. All of these products are less than $20 and of such a good quality. I have tried each and every of them and most of them I've used for years, so I can say that they're of good quality. I'm going to start with some kitchen essentials and then move on to personal care and then end with some random items. The first product is this soap dispenser bottles. They are plastic and they come in a pack of 2. They do come with those black labels on top of them, which I really like. Really like that they're clear bottles because I can see the pretty colors of my dishwasher soap and hand soap. They come at $10.99 per pack. I got 2 packs of them. I use 1 pack in the kitchen and the other 2 in the restrooms. Moving on to the next one is this dish drying rack, and my favorite and the most used in my kitchen. The best part about this over the sink dish drying rack is it doesn't need that extra counter space in your kitchen.
I'm buzzing, let's drink up. Your death look like big fun. Come on, let's get it on. Like that Marvin Gaye song. I'm stunning, you love it. Come on, give me something.
As you can see, it's very easy to fold and put it away when you're done with it. And obviously it's very easy to clean. I wouldn't buy it if it's not.
With me. The night is young, and so are we, baby. The night is young, so let's have some fun. If you love me right, yeah, this could be the summer of our lives now, honey. Give it to me like you know.
This one is $18 and I definitely want everyone to try this out and let me know what you think about it.
The sun sets on fire. Tell me your desires. We're not getting tired. Baby, take me higher. I'm sunny, you love it.
Moving on to this microfiber cloths, I've been using them for 3 years now and probably you have seen me using them in my previous video.
So maybe you should leave with me. The night is young, and so are we, baby.
As you can see, I use them to wipe down all kinds of surfaces in my house. If you are not using them, I would highly recommend you to buy them. Maybe not Amazon, buy them wherever you can, but they would make your life so much easier.
This could be the summer of our lives. The summer of our lives. Give it to me.
So when I am done with them, I just throw them in the washer and they're good to use again. So these come in a pack of 24 for about $12, which I think it's a pretty good deal because you don't have to buy them again and again. They will last you a very long time. They came in 3 colors, which are yellow, blue and white, so I have color coded them. I use the yellow one in kitchen, blue in restrooms and white for the rest of the house. The next item is this silicone rubbery kind of material soap holder, but I am using it to hold my soap dispenser bottles and kitchen scrubber. It is only $7 and it is available in other colors as well. Black and grey are also one of the options. Done with the kitchen and I'm moving on to the personal care, and this is again not any revolutionary product that I discovered on myself, but I think every girl out there should have this. This is hair ties. They look really small but they expand a lot. This is the close-up of the hair ties that I was talking about. Amazon is definitely a good place to find these hair ties, but the one I have comes in a pack of 8 and it is $8. The next one is this acne cover patches. They're used to cover your acne, but I use them during the night time after cleansing my face whenever I see a breakout. As you can see, they come in different sizes. You can use the one that fits to your breakout. I have already bought this 2 times, and this pack comes with 40 clear patches and it is around $9. The next one, I have this microfiber hair towels. I recommended this one to so many friends and family and everybody loved it. Probably you already know about it, but I thought it's worth mentioning because it just changed my life, if you know what I mean. I feel like this is another good deal because it comes in a pack of 2 for $20 and it has plenty of color options and they last you like forever. The last item in personal care is this blackhead remover strips. I am one that suffers a lot with blackheads around my nose area. So I use them like once a month, not too often because they could make your skin very dry. These come in a pack of 18 and it's $15 per pack. I don't need any presents as long as I spend this day with you. So beautiful, kissing on a mistletoe, baby, with you. Ooh. Done with the personal care section, moving on to the next item, which is this makeup organizer / travel bag. Ooh. And in a while we're gonna go inside. This is how it looks from the outside. It's very easy to travel with. If you are someone that travels a lot, I would highly recommend this. Let me give you a Christmas moment we'll fill with love and joy. I have organized all my makeup and some other random items here, and I keep it this way because it just makes things easier for me whenever I want to get ready. As long as I spend this day with you. Here in this very first section, I have all my foundations and concealers. Next you see everything that is related to eye makeup. You see a mascara and eyeshadow palette. Then you see my lipsticks and chapsticks. I also have kept some eye contacts and makeup remover wipes so that they come in handy when I'm traveling. The other good thing about this makeup bag is that you can remove those little dividers and then resize them according to your needs. That's what I did when I first got this bag. This is $20 on Amazon. I got the basic black color, but there are variety of colors available in this. I have seen a pretty pink also. The last item in this video is this underrated door hanger. If you live in a rented home like I do and you don't want to drill any holes into your walls or doors, this is such a good hack because it does the job without damaging anything in your house. It is available on Amazon for $12.99 and it has two color options. I got the platinum one. I think the other one is bronze. Guys, if you do find any of them helpful, go find them, buy them and try them and let me know how did you feel about them, and also do let me know in the comments below if you think this is a good video, or if you learn something, if you find anything helpful, let me know. I'll keep doing them more. Before you leave, please like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching. Bye.